how to enable or disable vibration on calls on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, if you want to disable call vibration, so turn on silent mode. After turn on silent mode, call vibration is disabled. If you want to enable call vibration, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, call vibration is enabled. You will enable or disable call vibration from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable vibration on call on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.